Dear friends, welcome to JSPM TSSM Group of Institutes, Pune. I am Dr. Sanjay Kanade from Department of Electrical Engineering of TSSM's Bhimrao Sawant College of Engineering and Research, Pune. We are part of one of the biggest educational groups in Pune and thrive to define, make an impact on, and lead in the field of electrical engineering through quality education. Electrical engineering is one of the core fields of engineering, and therefore it is always evergreen in terms of scope and job prospects. Every other field of science and technology needs electrical engineering, and therefore the scope of electrical engineers will never fade. There are a lot of government organizations specialized in electrical engineering and require quality electrical engineers such as Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, National Thermal Power Corporation, Power Grid Corporation of India, Indian Railways, Hindustan Aeronauticals Limited, Indian Space Research Organization, all the state electricity boards, to name a few. Private sector also heavily recruits electrical engineers like L&T, ABB, GE, Crompton and Greaves, Siemens, etc. In the near future, the whole automobile industry is going to shift to electric vehicles, thereby increasing the opportunity for electrical engineers by multiple folds. The process has already started, and all major automobile manufacturers such as Tata, Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra and Mahindra, Hero have already launched their electric vehicles in Indian market. Other international players such as Tesla, Toyota, Honda are also starting their electric vehicle manufacturing in India, which will require a huge number of electrical engineers. Another exponentially growing area is electric power generation. The power need is never going to reduce in future, and hence the need for newer power generation technologies is ever increasing. However, from environment sustainability point of view, the sources of power generation are changing to solar and wind. The industries working in these fields are waiting for good quality electrical engineers considering the futuristic growth. An electrical engineer always has an option to start own business, especially with the government policies regarding promotion of renewable energy sources. There are ample opportunities for electrical entrepreneurs. So it's up to you to select electrical engineering as the best branch of engineering and grab these opportunities. Thank you.